Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can stop the Avast browser to auto start on your device in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, if you have been experiencing this issue, there's usually one fix for that, and it works actually almost the same way on any browser or web browsers. So there are two approaches to this. Option number one, you navigate to the given browser, in this case you're the Avast browser, then click into these three dots here and access the settings here at the bottom. So inside your browser settings, navigate to the on startup feature on the left hand side and make sure that this feature is disabled, because if you enable it, it will automatically launch the browser whenever you start your computer. However guys, in some cases they may not suffice. So in this case, you may navigate to your computer's task manager. You may open it by using the shortcut Control Alt. Which one was it? I don't remember, to be honest. Control Alt Delete, I guess it was. And then guys, in your task manager, what you want to do is navigate to the startup card here as well. Go through that list and look for the Avast browser. If you don't see it, that's good. If you see it, for example, and if it's a task that gets started automatically when you launch it, when you launch a computer, you may right click into it and then select disable the auto start right here in your interface languages. Of course, it's not English for me, but it will be in your interface language. And that's how it works, guys. So that should fix it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.